Hello friends, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about comprehensions in Python. So first we can see list comprehensions. So what is a list comprehensions means? So list comprehensions provide a easy way of creating the lists. It consists of brackets containing an expression followed by a for loop. So now we can discuss with one example. So this is the program. S equals to ITUTs. Now I am going to store these I, T, U, T, E, E, S in a list. So how? By using predefined function, by using the list we can convert, but you don't consider this. So without this predefined function, how we can convert? So how we can convert means for I in S. What is a S? ITUTs, that means I, T, U, T, E, S. The I assigned to I first, then L dot append of I, that means in this list I is appended. So after that I becomes T. Next iteration T is stored in list. In next iteration U. In next iteration T. In next iteration E. In next iteration E. In next iteration S. So println means it prints this one, ITUTs. Okay. So now by using these list comprehensions we can easily create the lists. So how we can create the, I am taking S equals to ITUTs. So what is here? It consists of brackets containing an expression. That means say this is the brackets containing an expression. So this is the expression x for x in S. So and followed by a for loop. So this is the for loop for x in S. So what is the x in S? In first iteration x becomes I and stored in the list. In second iteration it becomes T, T is stored. Next iteration it becomes U, U. In next iteration it becomes T, T. In next iteration E, E. In next iteration E, E. In next iteration yes, yes. So by using this single line instruction you can store all the characters in the string into the list. Okay, so this is the list comprehensions. So we can see once again what is a list comprehension. So list comprehensions provide an easy way to create the list. So here where we create the list. It consists of brackets containing an expression and followed by for loop. Okay, so now we are going to solve small problems by using list comprehensions. List comprehensions are very important when you solve the Python problems. So now we can see some examples on list comprehensions. So this is the program to find number and square. Number comma square. So that means I am taking one dictionary. I am taking one list. In this list I am going to store 0 comma. What is the square of 0? 0. And what is the square of 1? 1. What is the square of 2? It is 4. What is the square of 3? It is 9. So what is the square of 4? It is 16. So in this way I can create a list. So what is a list comprehension? So list comprehensions provide an easy way to create the list. Now I am creating a list like this. How? L3 equals to I comma I into 2. That means if I equals to 0, 0 power 2. Okay. If I equals to 1, 1 power 2. If I equals to 2, 2 power 2, like that. So 3, 3 power 2, 4, 4 power 2. Okay. For I in range of 5, what is I value first? 0. In next iteration 1, in next iteration 2, next iteration 3, next iteration 4. So what is the I value equals to 0. So 0 power 2 means 0. So that is in the list. Next iteration it becomes 1. 1 power 2. So that means 1, 1. In next iteration it becomes 2. That means 2 comma 2 power 2. So 2 power 2, 4. In next iteration, 3. 3 comma 3 power 2. In next iteration it becomes 4. 4 comma 4 power 2. So that means 4 comma 16. If I give 10, then it prints 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81. Okay. If it is print, it prints the output like this. So we can see another program. Here I am going to store the values. For example, you take this instruction. For I in range of 10, what is the output? Range of 10 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next, for j in range of 10, minus 1, minus 1. That means the starting value is 10. And it is reduced with minus 1. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So this is the output for this for function. For this for instruction. So that means the initially initially the I value is 0. So after that we can execute this loop. So that means 0, 10, 0, 9, 0, 8, 0, 7, 0, 6, 0, 5, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0. After that the I becomes 1. Okay. Now you can check that here I am writing one condition also. If I plus j equals to 10. If I plus j equals to 10. So that means when we combine these two, I plus j, if it is 10, then only I can store this I comma j value in the list. So now you can see that. So this is the L4. Initially the I value equals to 0 and j value is, initially the I value equals to 0, j value equals to 10. Equals to 10, it is true. So these two values are stored in the list 0 comma 10. Next 0 plus 9, it is equals to 10. No, it is false. So it is not appended to L. In next iteration it becomes 8, 7, 6. All these conditions are false. Next I becomes 1. 1 plus 10 equals to 10. No, it is also false. So next it becomes 1 comma 9. So that means it prints in 1 comma 9 here. In remaining all the cases false. Next it becomes 2. So that means it prints 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5. 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2 and 9, 1. That's it. So this is the resultant list. We can create the dictionary comprehensions also as similar to the list comprehensions. Simply, so this is the dictionary x colon x power 3. So that means this is the key, this is the value. For x in range of 5. So what is the range of 5? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means x is 0, x power 3, 0. In next iteration x becomes 1, x power 3, 1 power 3, 1. In next iteration x becomes 2, 2 power 3, 8. In next iteration 3, what is the 3 power 3? 27. In next iteration 4, 4 power 3 means 64. That's it. So this is the dictionary created. So 0, 0 power 3, 1, 1 power 3, 2, 2 power 3, 3, 3 power 3, 4, 4 power 3. We print, this is the output. In this way, you can create the list comprehensions also.
So now we can see the list comprehensions. So this is the code without using comprehension. So this is the code with using comprehension. Now we can see this. So this is how we are appending all the characters into the list L. So this is the list comprehension to store all the characters into the list. In the similar way, this is the list comprehension for to store squares of a number 0 0 0 1 2 4 3 9 like that. So this is for, here we are using two for loops and one condition also, if condition. If this condition is satisfied, then I comma j values are stored in the list. So this is the output. So 0 10 1 9 2 8 3 7 4 6 5 5 6 4 7 3 8 2 9 1. And so we can create the dictionary comprehensions also. Here we are finding the cube of a number. For x equals to 1, we are going to find 1 cube. If x equals to 2, we are going to find the 2 cube. So by using dictionary comprehensions. So this is the output 0 0 1 cube 1 2 cube 8 3 cube 27 4 cube 64.